Weather Service in Hastings has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Jewell County in north-central Kansas, southern Nuckolls County in south-central Nebraska, until 6 p.m. At 5:24 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado. This dangerous storm was located near Bostwick, or 38 miles north of Beloit, and moving east at 25 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Superior, Hardy, and Ruskin. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.